What is up, everyone? We're here for a lovely race weekend. Got the Mustang here. We're fixing some stuff. Andrew and Alex look very happy. They've been here since like 8 and I just got here. So basically going through everything in the car. I'm gonna get it ready for testing tomorrow, and hopefully nothing goes bad and we'll kill it. So here's our old timing belt, which gave up on timing, I guess. Alex said it was a tensioner or something.
Well, combination of things. It was a sleeve that wasn't in the tensioner, and then we had put a different mount on. It's actually the Accord mount, and that was like.
Oh, it was an Accord thing?
That belt's like a 20 millimeter belt.
Mm-hmm.
Turns out, and then this one's like a 25 millimeter belt, so the edge of that mount was actually touching the edge of the
Oh, because they're too wide?
both things. Yeah,
interesting.
both things come in.
So yeah, they had to dig through here, which I'm sure was easy and fun to get to the timing and fix that, and this is the belt. But yeah, so that happened. Alex, you said you boroscoped it and checked and it didn't look bad.
Okay.
So it seems okay, so it's probably okay. So we're buttoning some things up now because we haven't started it yet since. Matt showed up on his sweet bike. I haven't seen this thing yet. You do mean wheelies on it?
All original. No dank wheelies yet.
No?
If ever.
If ever? Pff, boring. So we gotta get the battery in? Battery's in. Are we ready to start?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out.
Okay. Also, we got some cool, look at this Mugen shit right here. eBay DM. It's great. Give her hell. Don't explode. Just the metal? Yeah. Okay. I'm just making sure it wasn't the engine. Yeah. Sounds good. It feels smooth as hell. How do you feel? It started and
that it's like running.
It doesn't seem like it's exploding. Can you give it a couple raps? I want it for the video.
It's not all about the video.
Everything's about the video. There's nothing else. I want a couple raps. I love how up front the fuel pump's louder than the engine. God, it looks so good. Really needs a splitter though. Steering angle's so bad. Yeah, it's better than before, but it's still so bad. It's really street friendly for the streets of Mexico, right? Think she's good? You think he's gonna come back with another destroyed timing belt?
He does. We're swapping the engines.
What do you say it was, 2 hours? Compared to 11?
I have no idea. It'll probably take us a long time.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. I think that's kind of been like my motto for the team, is we'll figure it out.
Even though you don't show up.
Even though I don't show up most of the time.
Someone will figure it out for you. That's
Well, hold on. I said we. We'll figure it out. The collective team.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. If only one of us figures it out, that's still we,
Okay.
Right?
So if Alex fixes everything.
Yeah, that's still we, the team.
Okay. So we're on a test drive right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. And he's not on fire, so that's good.
Hell yeah. Hell fucking yeah. Let's go make sure we shut the radiator cap, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna wanna like pop.
Ah, so we didn't get the air bubble out. All right, let's get a little look of what we're doing so far. Matt is finishing reinstalling the radiator. We just picked it up because it's a rear mid setup. Usually you get an air bubble in there, so we lifted it up, filled it up with some nice distilled water. It's all you can run for LeMons, so that should be good. Andrew is finishing up the Zeus fasteners. That Zeus action, oh look at that, popped right out. And then what, you have to use like a penny?
Yeah, there's a tool.
There's a tool, but whatever.
A penny works fine.
Alex is going to be installing the radio over there. I'm guessing this button is the radio button. Okay, that's what Alex is doing over there. And then we're trying to get this thing loaded up onto the bus and out of our hair so we can get up early tomorrow. Got some riveting action. Did it get your hand? Are you stuck there? Nah, you're good. Ooh. Ooh. I like that. Alright, so we got the hood on. Pretty sure that it's bled, but we can figure that out. Fine tweaks needed to get this back on. Then we can throw the trunk on. Then we can go get the bus, pack while someone gets the bus, then load everything. And it's like kind of late, so we gotta be quiet. Typical LeMons for us, really. Have we really done better than this? Ever? No.
This is like a new high for us.
Our chariot has arrived. You're on. Perfect. Look at that beast. Alright, we made it through the gates, finally here at Thompson, and there's no bus. They said they're like an hour late, which is great, because we're trying to save spots for it and figure out how that's going, but we got some paddock mates here today. Got a BMW, Mustang. Alright, practice day has started. Cars are on track, might be able to hear it. I'm gonna go up on top of this hill and get some video. We're about to go out. We're just adjusting our toe a little bit because we touched the caster, so we have to change the toe, but should be good after that. Alex will go out for a bit, and then probably, I don't know, me or Andrew, whoever, I don't know who's next, but we'll figure it out. Bit of a jump, but end of the day Friday. Testing is done. The car did all right. Got a few tweaks to do. We ate dinner, grabbed supplies, filling up the cooler, gonna get beers going. This is kind of our paddock right now. Doing an engine swap tonight.
The good thing is,
It shouldn't be too bad, but I've done it a few times, so trucking along. So we're probably gonna tinker around a little bit today, try and get as much sleep as we can. We're probably not sleeping. Race day, Saturday, and it's miserable out. Crew's looking happy. Yeah, I think that's it. Driver's meeting starts in like half an hour. Race starts in like an hour after that.
Alright, let's get started. I think that's enough of you come dragging in late. There'll be a few more, but they'll be alright. You like the weather? Get used to it. Probably what it's going to look like the rest of the weekend. May add heavy winds and thunderstorms and lightning at some point. If we have that, we will go black flag all. Be prepared.
Alright, racing's about to start. Parading's already happening. We're almost going out. The 2 broke to care cars are out. Or not out, right next to us. 1 DHB car's here. Gonna rock and roll soon. I'm on radio duty for now. I'm probably racing second stint or third stint or whatever. I don't really know. We'll figure it out, but yeah, we're gonna go. All right, so we're about 3/4 of the way through the day. I got my turn. Who else got a turn? Alex got a turn. Matt's in right now. Andrew got a turn. I actually spun the car under the bridge. Actually, under this bridge over here. The track goes underneath. Spun the car there. Didn't hit anything, so it's all right. But I had to self-report it there. Bringing Matt in now. Gonna pit him, and we're good to go. Fire extinguisher, drip pan, everything. Going pretty good right now. I think we're in almost top 90, which is pretty good considering, you know, kind of how much holdbacks we had earlier in the day. We're gonna keep going as much as we can. Stay out, stay consistent. Rain's actually letting up now, which is great. Seems like there's a potential for the sun to come out. It seems like it's trying, so that'd be really nice if the track can dry up. That'd be awesome. Get some better lap. Keep going. Make it easier. 5 gallons, just like that. Guys, day 2. We survived day 1, did pretty good. I think we are 7th in class right now, in C class. We're just under 200 laps. Today we were racing for 5 hours, so it's a shorter day, so hopefully we can pass 3 or 350, something like that. That'd be really good. I'm going first. Up next, we don't really have a plan. So, car's like good. We haven't done anything, which is really weird, because we're not really used to not doing stuff on the car, so we're kind of just chilling out right now. I get in the car in like 10 minutes. Everyone's kind of hanging out, and then we grid up in like 10 minutes. So I'm out of the car now. I did start the race. We're doing all right, and then what happened?
You screwed up.
I screwed up? What happened?
You didn't keep other people safe.
The car is fucking fine. It's over there, but somebody, they either lost brakes or something, went right into a barrier, so they had to black flag the race like half an hour into my stint, which was even shorter because I had to do the parade laps. So I got probably about 10 or 15 minutes of actual racing, and I'm done for the day, but it's all right. I got an hour yesterday, so I'll deal with that. So yeah, we're just kind of waiting for them to fix that, and we'll get out there. Car's running good. It's cloudy right now, but it's completely dry. Hopefully it stays dry, and we'll get Ian out next. Hopefully we'll make up some spots. I think we're currently like 7th in class, so we'll hopefully get going. Racing has resumed. Back on track. Someone actually contacted Ian, so he came in to self-report. They said he's all right, so he's going back out. No real damage. Just kind of tapped the rear quarter panel. Paint chipped off, but it's not that bad. Crew chief over here. Try and get a shot over here, maybe it's all right. Oh, we can go through here. Now it's absolutely pouring. Matt's out in the car now. And I'm hiding in the bus a little bit, but packing up the bus. So when the racing ends, we can get out of here real quick. A little bit rainy. We're about getting ready for our last driver change. Alex is going in, he's gonna finish off the day. It gets really hectic at the end of the day because guys think they fixed their stuff. And they go really hard to get some laps, so really rainy. The straight's really, really slow. It's gonna be a shit show. Oh look, big puddle up ahead here. Water going across the track is crazy out here. So gonna get our last change in, and then we'll be good to go. Last driver change. Getting really fucking wet out here. You can see how slow the main straight is. There's puddles, running water all over track. I'm wet, everyone's wet. We're having a good time though, so gonna swap drivers. Alex is going in, and just end of the day. We got a little less than an hour left. I don't know what position we're in yet, but I'll try and keep you guys updated when that happens. All right, we got about 5 minutes left in the race. Rain stopped. Track's still really wet. The guys are now getting a little crazy the last half hour, so it's really hectic. So we're walking down right now. Well, I have to go back and grab the camera. I'm an idiot, but we're walking down and we're going to wait for them to come out when they're done the victory parade. Pit lane breakdown. There we go. Yeah! Woo! We didn't even know it was supersonic though. That's hilarious. Fuck yeah! Nice job, man! Hell yeah! Good job! Oh, nothing! Doesn't even give me a high five, what a dick. So that's the weekend.
Living room.
That's a wrap. That was the lamest that's a wrap ever. Are we the fucking hoonigans over here?
That needs to be a wish.
I'm gonna do an Andrew one.
Are we gonna road trip it all the way out there?
Yeah.
Just go thrash it?
Ooh, that's a wrap. I'm Andrew. Dude, the man line in the... Oh no. Oh no, not that.
Just loop it off the dock.
Just fucking crash it off the dock. Oh boy. That'd be a riot though, wouldn't it?
Sure.
Well, we made it. We survived. We finished 81st overall, 258 laps. Not our best distance, but it is our best finish.
You guys gonna be allowed?
Come on! Stop trying to hit me. But yeah, so we did good. We're pretty much packed up and ready to go. So I guess that's a wrap. So see you next time.